Alright, and welcome again to this new exercise. Okay, so we got a math exercise here. We got just to count the number of shapes that we have in each situation. Let's start with the situation number 1 here. So what do we have here? We got
two rectangles.
2 rectangles. Very good.
Mine equals
Do we have minus or plus?
plus 1.
1 what?
1 circle.
1 circle. So
It
equals.
equals 3.
Yeah, very good. Equals 3. Yes. Okay. Next second situation.
4.
For what again?
4 squares.
We got 4 squares.
Equal
What? Don't forget this symbol.
minus.
This is not minus, great. Yes. Your attention here. Is it minus or plus?
Plus.
So don't forget about that. Yes.
Plus 1 circle
Equals.
5.
Okay, so we got 5 here. All right, good.
Yes.
Next.
6.
6 what again?
6 stars.
6 stars.
Minus. Equal.
Come on. Is it minus or
Minus.
plus?
Plus.
So
Plus.
this is plus. Remember that.
Plus 1.
1 what?
Plus 1 circle. Equals 7.
So we got 7 in total. Very good. Yes. Next.
We have 3 triangles.
3 triangles. Okay. Plus what?
Plus 1 circle.
So how many in total?
Equals 5.
Equals 5. Good. Next. The last one.
We have 5 squares.
5 squares. Very good. Yes.
Equals
Plus what?
plus 1 circle.
Plus 1 circle. So how many are in total?
Equals 6.
Very good. Equals 6. Very good. You did a good job, man. Again, as usual. So I give you an A plus as usual. And okay, so perfect. Perfect. Very good. Then a good job, man. Right? Okay, that's it for today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our video channel.
Oh, that's not fair, right? Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.